Good morning or good afternoon, depending on your time zone. I'm Carlos Melendez. I am your instructor for MAT050. We're going to cover an overview of how to get into Zoom, a little bit about D2L, where you can find the information you're looking for, and some of the resources that we're going to be using as a team for this course. I'm sharing already my my desktop on Zoom. We're going to go over pretty quickly where you're going to see in this course interface. As you know, this is a remote course. Welcome. And we're going to meet on Tuesdays from noon to 1:30. And then we're going to allocate some additional time for you to answer questions. The format of this class, the time we're going to spend together synchronously, is going to be solving problems. That's the style I use. I've been teaching this class for 14 years at different levels, from 055 to 050. And so I'm here to help you. So I'm going to start with D2L because that's the first thing you're going to see. You're looking at the interface of your course. We have two interfaces. This is the main course that is 4 credits. The other one is a lab, it's a 1 credit that you're going to have also connected to MATLAB MLP. This one also have MLP. The amount of material in the lab is a little bit less, but not by much. So you have really two MATLABs in this course and the other one that you're going to see. So it's important, it's imperative that you connect to MATLAB as soon as possible. So as you know, I'm sharing my, my interface right there. You see here the course home. I just refresh it again for you to see it. And you see here on the top line, in the top menu, you see course home, content, assignment, discussion, and we're not gonna see rubrics. We're going to check into grades and class list, and you can check your class progress in here. I highly encourage every time that you come into the course to look at the announcement. And here you see welcome to the class and my contact information. I prefer email, and that's my email. This is what a typical week should look like for a remote/online class. My expectations of you that you can read, and what can you expect from me, and how to be successful in this class is also there, and the learning process, general course information, course materials, and so on. You can read that. That will be your first announcement after the welcome announcement. The key contents in here is going to be under the content menu. And there you're going to find your syllabus. You're going to find also how to get in Zoom. This is what it is. So you just have to click in this link and you will be into this meeting with me every Monday at noon until 1:30, and some additional time for additional questions on Tuesdays at noon. So. And the next thing you're going to see is the discussion. On the discussions, you're going to see you're required to introduce yourself. And I already put mine in there, introduction. And give me a little bit of autobiography so I get to know you better. And we're going to have a virtual cafe. And I put already something there, had you register for the MLP. Some of the MLP, MML common errors. A lot of common error the students do is trying, when they log on into MATLAB, they try to log on directly to the Pearson website without going through the main interface. And they get, give me a course ID message. Well, you need to come to the main course. You need to go right on the main menu to sign up for MATLAB, And when you are there, you had to click into this right here, this big blue E, right here. This big blue P, you click in here and then you follow the instruction, because this MATLAB follow the single sign-on. You are already logging into your D2L, you pass the credentials, including the course ID, into MLP. That's why you don't need a course ID anymore. So that's in a nutshell. And of course, here is when you see the grades, and that's about it. I have an example, because this is early on the semester. We haven't done the syllabus or the schedule yet. This is a precursor. This is your the old course from spring 2020. You see the announcements here. Every announcement will have, as you see here, every week I'm going to send you an announcement that has what you need to do that week. And as you can see in here, a calendar. So, and also I'm going to include some resources, how to, the support virtual learning with the TI-84 calculator, emulator, and some other, announcement that I'm going to show you. So through the semester. Also in the content area, as you can see in here, you will have on the content area, you click table of content and you will see the syllabus. And that's where it's required for you to read the syllabus so you know what to expect. And here you have the course material, the important dates, and you're going to have expectations and requirements, and you'll be able to read this the minute that you log on into the course. Class started 24th of August, and immediately I recommend to log in into MLP, MATLAB, immediately. And this is how the calendar will look like for you. That's about it. In a nutshell, D2L is pretty easy to navigate. And let's go back to the table of contents. And you're also going to see tentative calendar by itself that you can use. But again, this tentative calendar, the pieces every week would be in the announcement that is going to be weekly announcements. So, and as we log on into the first part of the class, the Tuesday, the 25th of August, we're going to go over Zoom a little bit. It's pretty easy. I have also included some links in the course that you can also have a tutorial how to do, how to use Zoom. So if you go back to the announcements here on your course, you will see, again, I'm going to repeat it again in the announcements. Let's go on the content. On the contents. And I'm going to put it also in the announcements. I'm going to send this via email, how to log in into the first Zoom. The first one, you don't need anything. Just click, and I will be on the other side. I'm not even, you can even go into the meeting before I do, but I will be there 10 minutes, 15 minutes early. So that's how easy it is the first time. So like I said, I'm here to help you, and we can learn this together. So, and now I'm going to show you a little bit how, once you log on into MATLAB, you are in the course. This is a sample course from last spring. You click on the big blue P right here. You click on it, and you're going to get transported into MATLAB. And you're going to have a student links. You're going to have MATLAB all assignment. You see here, you will not be able to see this because I am the instructor. I have this. You're going to see this. You click MATLAB all assignments, and guess what? All of your assignments will appear. We're going to start with chapter 3, and you click in there and you start working your assignment all the way through. So I'm going to say one thing is extremely important for you to never allow yourself to fall behind. You require at least, I recommend 12 to 15 hours of work in here. So that's all for now. I will proceed with more detail as we meet. Most of the lecture on the first class will be how to use Zoom, how to navigate through the interface, the tools that we're going to use. Now I'm going to do a new share right now. One of the things that I'm going to use is the whiteboard. As you know, I will share my whiteboard. This board right here that you're going to see right now, it's like actually it has more area than an actual classroom board. I'm gonna be writing, I'm gonna solve all the problems right here for you. As you can see, I can do colors. This is equivalent to one full board in a classroom. The style I teach this class, as you see the background of my virtual image, I solve problems. That's all I do in the class. Bring your problem, bring your word problems, bring your algebra problems, and we're gonna solve those problems in the classroom. This video, every video will be recorded and posted in YouTube and linked into the interface. Also, all of this scribble that we do with all the problems is gonna be also linked into D2L. So you can see in details the problem that I have solved on the board, and also this audio video presentation. Again, I repeat it again, I'm here to help. And this is my hobby. So thank you very much. Again, you can send me an email. I prefer that you send me an email. And if you call me, leave a detailed message in there. Tell me the class of what it is, and tell me the problem, because I solve the problem when I call you. Before I call you, I will solve the problem. So that's all. So I'm going to stop this recording, and I'm going to link it like I usually going to do. And I'm going to stop the recording. Thank you very much, and welcome to MAT050. Bye-bye.